Have you ever touched your carpet in the front of your Toyota Tacoma and wondered why the carpet was wet? The body seam behind the front fender gets weak and starts opening, allowing water to creep in. It's an easy fix with Seymour's DuraMix Seam Sealer. DuraMix is part of a comprehensive line of 2K cartridge repair products designed specifically for collision repair professionals. From seam sealers and bonding agents to flexible fillers and plastic repair adhesives, the DuraMix system covers every stage of the repair process, so products stay consistent and compatible. The 2K cartridge system makes application simple. It delivers the perfect mix every time with strong chemical curing and no guesswork, so you get dependable performance without costly rework. Once applied, DuraMix seam sealers replicate OEM texture and finish for an invisible repair that looks factory fresh. Plus, you can choose the right setup and cure time for the job. Fast when you need it, extended when you don't. So whether you're fixing leaks like this Tacoma or handling any seam repair, Seymour's DuraMix delivers the professional results your shop can count on. This tip is brought to you by DuraMix, built for the bay, not the boardroom.